Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily, beautiful, in-depth technical analysis video on the overall market and Dogelon to Mars. Let's get straight into the music. I don't know why I said music. Let's get straight into the video, my friends. Global crypto market cap is down 7.84% today. It's a beautiful buying opportunity. A lot of people will be freaking out right now, and that's exactly what we want to see. If you look at the crypto fear and greed index, this will tell you the overall sentiment of the market. We are below the 20s again, which historically have been a great time to begin averaging in or continue accumulating, especially if you have bought at a high. Paul. Yes, so right now what we are looking at, we have broken the $40,000 levels just like we want to see. Now, a few videos ago, I told you guys, if we break these $40,000 levels, it will be a greater thing for the long run, and let me explain why. I'll give you a little refresher. Now, if you watched a couple videos ago, you should remember, but it's okay. Listen, the reason why this is a great thing for the future of these markets is because all of the retail traders here are getting scared out right now. They are losing their minds. They think crypto is tanking, and the sentiment is going to be very negative in the coming weeks. Mark my words. Okay. We are going to head down to these $36,000 levels. We are heading down there at this moment in time, my beautiful friends. That is our next level of support. Now, if you remember, a couple videos ago, said if we break this $40,000 level, the first level of support we need to watch is these $36,000 levels. Got it? Cool. I'll draw a range because we do have this little bit of support here. So this is the range we are looking at within the next coming days of support, my beautiful friends. This is what we need to look for. And if it does start showing support in this area here, strong buying pressure with volume, this is a simple fake out before the move to the upside. And let me tell you, my friends, that has happened over and over and over again in the markets. So right now, people are getting extremely scared that their retirement money is going to go to zero. And that's exactly what we want, all right? Now, the reason why the big money pushes it lower than this big major support right here is because many people have their stops within this range right here, which means their positions will automatically be closed if it comes into this range. My beautiful friends, that's a great thing because it allows the big money to push it higher once they get a discounted price. Now, you will never make money in the markets if you are not patient. Now, it would be nice to see this as a fake out, because if it comes down into here, we saw it show strong buying pressure with volume. That means we are continuing to make higher lows and move to the upside. However, if it breaks through this, then we need to watch this $31,000 level, this $30,000 level as our next level of support. Because if it breaks through these $30,000 levels, that will be a very, very harsh thing for the overall markets, for the crypto markets in itself. But that is very, very spectacle. And right now, we just need to HODL. Now, as it comes into here, if we start seeing that big money start to accumulate and buy things up, it would be a nice point of averaging in. You want to average in when blood are in the streets. Right now, blood are in the streets. Now, it could go down to these $30,000 levels, and that would be a blessing if it got down this low. Let me tell you guys, it would be a very, very, very nice blessing because it is a natural cycle. All right, let me draw this for you guys. The big money can't make money. Look what it did here. All right, you got to understand the emotions. Came up, came down 50%. Beautiful retracement. Okay, beautiful retracement. For this previous little spike here. As it spiked up within a few days, it broke previous all-time highs. Retail traders were buying. Mom and pops were getting in. Buy. Everyone was getting in. There's no more people to buy it after this moment, after the all-time highs, because everybody was getting in at this point. What was the big money doing? They were selling this whole time. This whole time at this at this high here, this fake out, they were selling. Sell, 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 sell. Came down to here. This is where retail traders continued to buy because they thought it was a normal dip. They think it was a normal dip. This happens over and over and over. Retail traders buy, pushes it a little bit higher. Last people take their profits, and now right now, we are in a moment in time where it's going to take patience, my friends. It's going to take a lot of patience because this could happen. This could pan out for a month, all right? And it's a beautiful thing because during this month, we will see some major buying opportunities that can set up the rest of our lives for financial-wise. It will set up the rest of our lives just by averaging in at these nice points. I'm here to help you guys. Now I want to pull up the Wall Street cheat sheet just to show you guys that this is a normal occurrence. It happens all the time in every single market. Right now, this is where we are. This is where we're headed, okay? We saw this pullback right here and then the spike. We saw that here. Boom, pullback, spike. Now it should come down. It would be nice to see some pressure above, like right around these $35,000 levels. It would be nice to see some buying pressure there and us to base right here in the anger and depression state in these $35,000 levels. That would be nice because we will continue to make higher lows and it will be much healthier for the overall markets. All the mom and pops bought in up here. All of them, okay? All of them. The only people who got in at these lows are the big monies and the people who were in the black market trading dope on, with Bitcoin. So it's a very, very, very normal cycle that we're in right now. What we want to see within the next month, okay, it would be very nice to see us base around this $35,000 level, making higher lows, okay? Now, it's just a matter of time. As we are decreasing, the sellers are shrinking up every single day. The sellers are fading away, and eventually the buyers will take positions back, and they will start to move this thing up again. It's just a matter of time, my friends. Bitcoin is extremely big, and it is going to continue to grow as metaverse expands, as people start using more NFTs, everything in the sorts. This is a very new space, very new market, and a very new asset class. So it is very risky. However, the potential upside and the gains in the future, especially if you're holding for 3+ years, are absolutely insane. Now, Bitcoin is one thing. Bitcoin is what we need to be looking at because the only reason everything else is dropping is because Bitcoin is dropping. Let's get straight into Dogelon Mars. See what she's doing. Here, it's 2022. We're down 12%. All right? It's a beautiful thing. Beautiful thing. Now, what we are seeing here is some selling pressure. Volume is still very low. However, we want to see us catch. We want to see us catch around these 10 levels, all right? These 10 levels are very crucial right now. Now, if we continue to drop, I'm going to pull up Bitcoin side by side so we can do a side-by-side comparison. If we continue to drop in Bitcoin around these $35,000 levels and base, then that means Dogelon Mars will most likely drop to these 8 levels, 7 levels. And that will be a very, very beautiful point to average more in if you have not averaged in already. The biggest thing right now is to know this is a cycle, and this is how the big money makes money. This is how retail traders lose. They panic out of their positions whenever it drops. And as it spikes, they want to hold because they think they can make more. Okay? It's very weird how the human brain works, but that is what I'm here to help you guys with. We're seeing a very, very stable sell-off here. Now, the plan still is in occurrence. I'm looking for a big green candle to come up and overbear all of this previous support here within the next coming week. That will be a very beautiful thing. Now, we did see some buying pressure on this previous candle. However, it ended in a red candle and continued to sell off as Bitcoin sold off as well. I'm very excited for the move forward because once we establish strong support in Bitcoin, Dogelon Mars will as well. And look at this, 11% down while Bitcoin is 7% down. That's a nice thing because when Bitcoin was up 5%, Dogelon Mars was up almost 20%. So we have a lot of upside whenever Bitcoin starts moving higher. Right now, we are still in accumulation phase. Anything under 15 cents is a great buying opportunity, my friends. Crypto Billionaire 69. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Check out the link in the description for my real-time buy and sell alerts, because right now is a great time to stay tuned to those buy and sell alerts. We're hitting some buying opportunities at this moment, and my beautiful friends, get it real time. Look at this volume selling off. Wow, that's beautiful. All right, look at this. Okay, we are coming to this support here, this previous support, around the 968 levels. So, if we do decide to drop below these 10 levels, which is a major psychological barrier, we are currently showing some buying pressure around this Fibonacci level here. All right, so that'll be a great thing. It'll be a nice thing to see us close above this 1097 level. However, I do hope we can come back down into these 8s while Bitcoin is retracing and trying to find new support here in these 35s. If we can come back down into these 8s, possibly even 7s, and if we're lucky, even 6s to average more in for a fraction of the price, it'll be a very, very beautiful move for when we take off and blast off, my friends. Crypto Billionaire 69. I'll catch you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Stay strong. I know right now things can be very, very weary. Trust me, I have seen this over and over again. Whenever markets start to crash, people will always start to get skeptical about their decisions they have made. Now, the best thing you can do is hold if you are content with the risk that you have put in, or buy more if you want to lower that average and you have extra money and you have been keeping cash aside. My beautiful friends, Crypto Billionaire 69, not a financial advisor, simple crypto opinions by a crypto billionaire. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace, guys. Love you.